Welcome to our Subdivision Spotlight. Steely Terrace is centrally located between Wasatch and Oquirrh Mountains with easy access to main thoroughfares of Redwood Road, 2100 South, I-15 and 215. This small, close-knit community features private road, HOA-maintained lots, a park and playground. The Jordan River Parkway, TRAX, and Glendale Golf Course are in walkable distance to Steely Terrace. Steely Terrace homes were built in 2018 by Candlelight Homes. They are 2 stories with a Craftsman or contemporary elevation, and every home includes smart home technology. West Valley City is the second largest city in Utah, home to the Maverick Center in Utah Grizzlies hockey team. Also located in West Valley City is the Utah Cultural Center, the Ridge Golf Course, Stonebridge Golf Course, Rocky Mountain Raceways, USANA Amphitheatre, and Valley Fair Mall. Top employers in West Valley include Discover Financial, UPS, Swift Transportation, Select Portfolio Servicing, ECHL, USANA Health Services, and Verizon Wireless. These 7 companies employ over 10,000 people. The school district is Granite, which includes 21 elementary schools, 4 junior high schools, and 2 high schools. The charter school, East Hollywood High, is also located in West Valley. Transportation in West Valley is one of the easiest in Utah. Major thoroughfares crisscross the city include Interstates 15 and 215, Bangerter Highway, Mountain View Corridor, also SR 201. In addition to local bus routes, TRAX, Light Rail Green Line, and Max Bus Rapid Transit lines service the city daily. If you'd like more information on what's currently available in Steely Terrace, please check the description below and visit our website.